Did you know that nearly 80% of engine issues can be fixed with simple maintenance steps? That's right. Most drivers ignore small problems that over time turn into costly repairs and breakdowns. But here's the good news. In this video, I am going to uncover 5 simple but powerful tricks that help to boost your car performance, improve fuel economy, and add years to your engine's life. Stay with me till the end, because the last tip is a game changer that even some mechanics don't want you to know. Let's get started. Number 1. Cleaning or replacing the air filter regularly. Your car needs to breathe, just like you. Your car's air filter plays a crucial role in keeping dust, debris, and contaminants out of the engine. If your air filter is clogged, it starves your engine of oxygen, leading to sluggish acceleration, lower fuel economy, and even misfires. The good news is, this is one of the cheapest and easiest fix. If your filter looks dark and dirty, replace it immediately. Most air filters cost under $20 and take just minutes to change. To change the air filter, firstly, you have to locate it. It is usually found in a black plastic box near the engine or on the side of the engine bay. Now, open the air filter housing by unclipping the latches or removing screws and carefully lift the air filter out of the housing and install the new filter. Secure the cover with clips or screws. If your filter is lightly dusty, then you may also clean it. Using compressed air. To clean the air filter, hold it at a slight angle to prevent damage and blow compressed air from the inside out to remove trapped dirt. Cleaning your air filter regularly can help improve engine performance and extend its lifespan. With a clean air filter, your engine will breathe better, respond faster, and even get better gas mileage. If you drive in dusty conditions, it is recommended to check your filter every 10,000 miles. Number 2. Changing engine oil. We all know oil changes are crucial, but did you know using the wrong type of oil can actually make your engine struggle? Many drivers use thicker oil, thinking it offers better protection, but in reality, it can slow down engine movement, reducing efficiency and power. Always use the manufacturer-recommended oil grade, as it's specifically designed for your engine's needs. And here's a pro tip. Use full synthetic oil. Unlike conventional oil, synthetic flows better at all temperatures, protects against sludge buildup, and reduces friction inside the engine, making it run cooler and smoother. Regular oil changes are crucial to keeping your engine healthy. Dirty oil loses its effectiveness and can cause increased wear on engine components. Number 3. Using fuel injector cleaner. Fuel injectors spray a precise amount of fuel into the combustion chamber, but over time, they can get clogged with carbon deposits and dirt. When this happens, fuel doesn't mix properly with air, leading to poor combustion, rough idling, reduced power, and increased fuel consumption. But here is the good news. For this, you don't need a costly repair to clean your fuel injector. Simple use of a high-quality fuel injector cleaner can make a huge difference and make your car running efficiently. If your engine has persistent issues with rough running or hesitation, a professional fuel system cleaning may be needed. Here is how to do it. Firstly, buy a fuel injector cleaner bottle from a trusted brand. Keep in mind, some vehicles have specific recommendations on which fuel additives are safe to use. Check your manual or fuel filler cap to ensure compatibility with your engine. Now, check the fuel level. Ensure your fuel tank is nearly empty or at least below half full. This helps the cleaner mix effectively with fresh fuel. Open the fuel cap and pour the entire bottle of cleaner into the tank. Most bottles treat up to 20 gallons of fuel, so check the label. Immediately after adding the cleaner, fill up the tank with the recommended fuel for your vehicle. This helps mix the cleaner with the fuel and ensures proper distribution throughout the system. Drive your car gently for the first 50 to 100 miles. After driving a few hundred miles, you will notice an amazing improvement in your car performance and fuel efficiency. With time, the fuel injector cleaner properly removes carbon buildup, allowing fuel to spray evenly for better combustion and improved throttle response. Number 4. Cleaning or replacing the throttle body. The throttle body regulates the amount of air entering the engine and plays a critical role in maintaining proper air-fuel mixture. Over time, it can become coated with carbon deposits, dirt, and grime, which restrict airflow and disturb air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber, leading to poor combustion. A clogged throttle body led to rough idling, stalling, and reduced fuel efficiency. But the good news is, the throttle body cleaning or replacement is not a tough job. You can easily do it at your home. First of all, locate the throttle body, which is usually located between the air intake and intake manifold. Loosen the clamps and remove the air intake tube to access the throttle plate. Also, disconnect all the electrical connections to the throttle body. After removing the throttle body, inspect it properly. If it is dirty, clean it using a throttle body cleaner. Spray throttle body cleaner directly onto the throttle plate and surrounding walls. Let it sit for 10 to 15 seconds to dissolve the carbon buildup. Now, use a microfiber cloth to wipe away the loosened grime. If buildup remains, use a soft bristle toothbrush or nylon brush to scrub gently. Allow the throttle body to air dry completely before reattaching components. Reconnect the air intake hose and tighten the clamps securely. After proper installation, start the car and let it idle for a few minutes. This helps the engine control unit to adjust to the cleaned throttle body. If cleaning doesn't improve performance, you need to replace your throttle body. After cleaning, you will notice an immediate improvement in your engine performance, fuel efficiency, and acceleration. Number 5. Cleaning your mass airflow sensor. Did you know that a dirty mass airflow sensor can make your engine feel weak and unresponsive? This tiny sensor measures the air coming into your engine and sends this information to the engine control unit. The engine control unit uses this data to adjust the air-fuel ratio. But over time, this sensor gets covered in dust and grime, causing incorrect reading to the engine computer, which leads to poor combustion. The result? Poor acceleration, rough idling, and even decreased fuel efficiency. But the fix of this issue is incredibly simple. Just use MAF sensor cleaner spray. Let's start cleaning. Turn off the engine and let it cool. Disconnect the battery's negative terminal to prevent ECU issues. Now, locate the MAF sensor, which is typically found inside the air intake duct, between the air filter box and the throttle body. Unplug the MAF sensor's electrical connector carefully. Gently remove the MAF sensor and place it on a clean, dry surface. Hold the MAF sensor upright and spray the cleaner directly onto the sensor elements. Apply 10 to 15 short bursts of cleaner. Now, let the cleaner evaporate completely. Don't try to use compressed air, cotton swabs, or rags. They can damage the delicate elements inside the sensor. Once the sensor is completely dry, place it back into the intake duct and secure it with screws or clamps. Reconnect the battery's negative terminal if you had disconnected it. This small trick can instantly restore lost power, improve throttle response, and prevent engine hesitation. Most people never clean their MAF sensor, but trust me, you'll feel the difference the next time you hit the gas. There you have it. Follow these simple steps, and your engine will run smoother, stronger, and longer than ever before. Let me know in the comments which tip helped you the most, and if you have any secret tricks of your own. And before you go, hit that subscribe button to fuel up the confidence. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and keep that engine running like a beast.